Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today in this video, I am gonna teach you guys how to log into your CIBC online banking. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. Just click on search bar and type cibc.com and hit the enter. It will take you to the official website of CIBC. You can directly see login form on the right side of your screen. And just what you need to do is type your card number over here. Just click on remember my card if you want to remember your card. Similarly, type your password over here. And if you want to see your password, just click on show password. Then you will be able to see your password. And if you forgot your password, just click on reset your password. And once you click on sign in button, then you will be able to access your account. And if you don't have any account of CIBC, just click on register and you will be able to create an account. This was for today guys. If you guys found our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video. And drop a comment for a review and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.